Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to use what3words in Pixgrim. Pixgrim places stationary tripods at popular destinations and landmarks so that travelers can take stable photos from the best angle. And you can find these pods with its what3words addresses. So let's go ahead and go to their website. You're going to click on web app. Once you go to the app, you can see that there are about 16 pods somewhere around France. So all you have to do is click on the screen icon to zoom in. And here you can see all of the tripods that are around this area. So let's say we're going to Portes. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. And here you can see all of the information about the certain location, including photos, weather, how to get there, etc. And of course, it's what3words address. So you can click on the what3words address and it takes you to the what3words map site. And from here, you can navigate to this destination using your preferred navigation app. So that's how easy it is to use what3words in Pixgrim. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.